I Am the Moon by Rebecca and James McDonald. I am the moon. You can see me bright in the night sky when you're looking up from planet Earth. I'm held in place by the Earth's strong gravity and by my weaker gravity. Gravity is what pulls things to the ground when you drop or let go of something. Gravity keeps me from drifting away into space. Gravity holds me in place as I circle around the Earth, and while I'm circling the Earth circles the sun. My gravity pulls at the oceans on the Earth. When you visit the ocean and the water is rolled way back from the beach, that's me, the moon, creating low tide. When you see the water push way up into the beach and it covers all the sea creatures and washes away your sandcastle, that's me, the moon, creating high tide. Don't worry, you can see all the creatures again and build another sandcastle during the next low tide when I pull the water away from the beach again. As I move around the Earth, the same side of me always faces Earth. That's why they say there's a near side and a far side of the moon. As I move with the Earth, the sun brightens some parts of me, leaving the other parts in the darkness. That's why sometimes I look thin, like a sideways smile, or half of me looks like it's disappeared. When you can see my whole face shining bright, I'm called a full moon. When I seem like I'm gone from the sky because my face is in darkness, then I'm called a new moon. Other planets have a whole bunch of moons, but I'm the only one for Earth. If you want to visit me, it would take you 2 days of flying in a spacecraft before you would land on my surface. People who fly spacecrafts are called astronauts. There are only 12 people who have set foot on my surface. If you study hard in school, maybe one day you can walk on me too. But don't forget your space helmet because there is no air to breathe up here. So you'll have to bring your own. When the sun shines bright on me, I get really hot. And when the sun goes down, it gets really cold. So astronauts must wear spacesuits to protect themselves. There are a lot of rocks on my surface, so astronauts need a strong pair of boots that will keep them from slipping and to protect their feet from the heat and the cold. Because I have weaker gravity, people visiting my surface will find things are much lighter. That means lifting a car on an elephant is easier. But make sure the elephant brings a space helmet to wear. If astronauts visiting my surface accidentally drop something, like their lunch or a favorite toy, they'll have plenty of time to catch it before it hits the ground. Weak gravity makes things fall more slowly. Weak gravity also makes it easy to jump super high. Right now, scientists are planning to build a space station on me so people can visit and live on my surface. Would you like to visit the moon? The end.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am going to teach you guys how to play Moon Rock Count and Throw. I'm so excited. So first I'm going to show you what we need. We need a little bin. I picked my little trash can bin, but you can use a laundry bin or just a regular Tupperware container. Anything you have that could catch a ball. The next thing you're going to do is on a piece of paper, cut it into small squares and write numbers. This is the number 1. I also have the number 2. Here is the number 3. Here is the number 4. Here is the number 5. Here is the number 6. Here is the number 7. Here is the number 8. Here is the number 9. And here is the number 10. So you have your numbers 1 through 10. You're gonna flip those all over so that you can't see them, okay? You can play this with mommy and daddy or your brother and sister. You can make it a game or you can play by yourself. It's so much fun. So I'm gonna mix all of the numbers up before we start our next step. The next step is to take aluminum foil. I couldn't find any aluminum foil in my house, so I'm just using gray paper. I'm gonna rip a little piece off, tear it into little pieces, and then I'm gonna make it into a ball, crumble it up in my hands. This works your hands really good. And then you're gonna have a little ball like this, and it's gonna be our moon rock. Oh my goodness, so I'm gonna make a couple moon rocks. Crunch them up, you can do 2 at one time. It works really good with aluminum foil, but if you don't, just use paper. No biggie, said the piggy. Okay. So I've got a couple of moon rocks. I'm gonna do a couple more. All right. So now I have about 5 moon rocks. And what I'm gonna do is draw a number, but I don't know which number I'm gonna get because I flipped them all over. So let's see what number I got. I got the number 2. Now what I need to do is throw 2 moon rocks into the can. Can you guys count with me when I throw them? Are you ready? 1. Oh no, I missed. Let's try again. 2. Yay! I got it that time. So I'm going to pull another number so I can show you guys one more time. Are you ready? Let's see. The number 1. Yay! So I'm going to pick up 1 moon rock and count as I throw it in. Are you ready? 1. Yay! I did it. I hope you guys have so much fun playing this game. If you want to go to higher than 10, go for it. You can do anything. I had so much fun with you. I can't wait until I see you next time. Bye.